7 this morning, Hanover Park residents were going about their usual business, leaving for work and school, and others, like 92-year-old Ibrahim Domingo, had just finished his morning prayers. But all of a sudden, the wind ripped through his house.
It's raining. So I looked through the window and I saw the dark cloud coming, a dark cloud. And when I saw the dark cloud, I thought, oh, my son was going to work now. He's going to get wet. And at the same time, I just hear, bang! And I went like this. The ceiling was on me. Luckily, I didn't get hurt. I got such a shock, I was shivering.
Several homes and their roofs were blown off or caving in, windows were shattered, and metal structures were blown away. At least 10 informal structures were also damaged. Nazima Klute had debris from their roof fall on her.
It's raining, and I thought I want to tell my grandchildren, listen here, rather stay at home because there's a strong wind coming up, and all of a sudden I just see the roof collapse on me. And I called out to my husband, and he thought they were shooting outside. He said to me, come in. So I said, no, he's not shooting, come see here, the stuff is all on me. He put me into the room.
Another resident, Shafiq Hamid, described the fear and disbelief at what he saw from his home.
Within the split second, it just came in like black smoke when you blow a hairdryer over a burnt cigarette, and that wind is doing the swirly stuff, and it's just black, and within a few seconds it's gone.
What did it sound like?
It's howling, it's thundering, it's just making a scary noise, and the wind, rain, everything came down at once, and you just hear silence is gone.
Community members rallied and made large pots of soup, while Gift of the Givers also delivered hot meals, plastic sheets and blankets. The city of Cape Town was on the scene, assessing damage and offering aid. It says at Wolverivier near Melkbosstrand, 6 structures were damaged and 1 completely destroyed. Medical services tended to all those in need, but no serious injuries have been reported. A call has been made from the city and residents of Hanover Park for assistance with building materials, food and items such as blankets. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.